Instead of buying a smoothie every day, why not make your own fresh and nutritious smoothie at home with the right blender? Creating your own smoothies is not only cost-effective, but also a great way to ensure you're getting the essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs for optimal health. We've tested and compared the best smoothie blenders, saving you time and effort in finding the perfect fit for you. If you're interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. Now let's get started. The first on our list is the Ninja TB301. When it comes to blending perfection, the Ninja TB301 stands out as a true powerhouse in the kitchen. Boasting an impressive 1800 peak watt motor base, this blender is designed to tackle the toughest ingredients with ease, ensuring that you get the smoothest blends every time. What sets the Ninja TB301 apart is its Blend Sense technology, Ninja's smartest innovation to date. This feature automatically adjusts the speed and time to deliver perfectly smooth results. The intuitive dial adds to the user-friendly experience, informing you of the blender's mode at a glance. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is another highlight, perfect for making large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, and more for the entire family. But the Ninja TB301 doesn't stop at smoothies. Its total crushing and chopping blade assembly means you can also enjoy perfectly crushed ice, chopped veggies, and more with unparalleled ease. For those who love convenience, the single-touch preset programs are a game-changer. These settings allow you to effortlessly process and chop ingredients in the large pitcher. Think homemade salsa and much more, all at the touch of a button. Variable speed control gives you complete manual command over 10 different speed settings when using the full-sized pitcher, providing flexibility for any blending task. And let's not forget about the two 24-ounce single-serve cups. These are perfect for blending your favorite drinks and heading out the door, complete with convenient spout lids. Another smart feature is the Liquid Detect, alerting you when liquid is needed in the single-serve cup, ensuring optimal blending every time. The second on our list is the NutriBullet 600-watt personal blender. This blender is your gateway to a healthier lifestyle, offering a perfect blend of power and convenience in a compact design. Ideal for smoothie enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals embarking on their journey towards better nutrition. This blender is a must-have in any modern kitchen. With its 600 watts of power, the NutriBullet effortlessly turns a wide range of ingredients, from delicate berries to hearty greens, into smooth, nutrient-packed drinks. This capability makes it incredibly easy to whip up nutritious smoothies that quickly deliver essential nutrients to your body. The brilliance of the NutriBullet lies in its essential design, straightforward and user-friendly. Operating it is as simple as pushing, twisting, and blending. This no-fuss approach ensures that you can create healthy drinks every day without hassle or complication. When it comes to cleaning, the NutriBullet is equally impressive. The blades easily twist off and can be rinsed with soap and water, while the cups are safe to place on the top rack of your dishwasher. This ease of cleaning means you can enjoy your healthful creations without dreading the cleanup afterward. But the NutriBullet isn't just for personal use. While it's perfect for single-serve smoothies, it's also capable of handling larger batches of dressings, dips, and more, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Its efficient design allows it to smooth out greens, fruits, and other fibrous ingredients in under a minute. This quick action lets you enjoy your blends without delay, fitting seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. The third on our list is the Vitamix V1200. The Vitamix V1200 is not just a blender. It's a versatile kitchen tool that empowers you to explore the realms of healthy, whole food recipes with ease. From appetizers to desserts, its 64-ounce container is perfectly sized for both personal servings and large family meals. One of the standout features of the Vitamix V1200 is the variable speed control. This allows you to precisely fine-tune every texture, ensuring your smoothies, purees, and salsas are exactly as you like them. Whether you prefer silky smooth purees or chunky salsas, the control is at your fingertips. The Pulse feature adds another layer of versatility. It enables you to achieve coarser chops on top of smooth blends, perfect for creating heartier recipes like chunky pasta sauces or thick vegetable soups. This feature ensures that every dish is not just blended but crafted to perfection. Innovatively, the Vitamix V1200 comes with built-in wireless connectivity. This smart feature allows the motor base to automatically adjust blending times based on the container size you choose, ensuring optimal results every time. The ability to create every texture is at the core of the Vitamix V1200's design. With 10 variable speeds, you can achieve culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. This flexibility makes it a valuable asset in any kitchen. The fourth on our list is the Ninja SS101. The Ninja SS101 is a game-changer in the world of blenders, specifically designed for those who love thick smoothie bowls, nutrient-rich drinks, and creamy spreads. This versatile blender combines power, precision, and convenience to elevate your blending experience. One of the key highlights of the blender is its 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with a built-in tamper. This feature is a dream for anyone who enjoys thick, spoonable smoothie bowls, nut butter, and blender ice cream. The tamper ensures that frozen foods are blended perfectly with less liquid, providing the ideal consistency every time. For smoothie enthusiasts, the 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup takes your smoothies and frozen drinks to the next level. It offers a better breakdown of ingredients, ensuring smoother extractions and more delicious results. This means you can extract vital vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables effortlessly. Powering the Ninja SS101 is the revolutionary Smart Torque technology. The 1200 peak watt power-dense motor is designed to handle heavy loads without stalling, eliminating the need for stirring or shaking. This ensures consistent results, no matter the ingredients. The blender boasts 6 versatile functions, providing one-touch solutions for blending, pulsing, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. This versatility makes it a multifunctional tool in your kitchen. Auto IQ technology is another standout feature. It removes the guesswork from drink making, with intelligent programs that combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to do the work for you. The last on our list is the NutriBullet Blender Combo. The NutriBullet Blender Combo is a true powerhouse in the world of blending, offering unparalleled versatility with its multi-serving pitcher and single-serve cup options. This blender is designed for those who seek both functionality and power in their kitchen appliances. At the heart of its design are 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, all offering complete control at the push of a button. With 1200 watts of power, this blender can handle a wide array of tasks, from creating silky smoothies to hearty soups, savory sauces, and rich nut butter. The options are endless, letting your culinary creativity run wild. The Easy Twist extractor blade is a testament to its quality. Made of robust stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action, it ensures that every blend is perfect. Whether you're working with fruits, vegetables, or tougher ingredients, this blade system ensures efficient and consistent results. Weighing in at 12.5 pounds, the NutriBullet Blender Combo is a substantial yet sleek addition to your kitchen. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, fitting seamlessly into any modern kitchen setting. And that wraps up our list of the best smoothie blenders. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect blender for your needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Until next time, take care.